Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation to your iPhone. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first you're going to want to hold your AirPods 4 close to your phone like this. And it will come up with that animation saying you should connect. So go ahead and connect. Should only take a couple seconds, and if you want you can put it in your ear and follow these instructions. So it's just telling you what you can do. So press once to play, pause, accept calls and all that, and you can go to the control center to do noise cancellation and transparency if you want. This is just giving you a quick guide on how to use AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. You can turn on personalized volume if you want. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, why not? So what conversation awareness does, it lowers the volume when you're speaking. That's a really cool feature. I've used it in the past on the AirPods Pro 2, so I'll go ahead and turn it on also. And you can set up Siri if you want, but for me, I'm gonna do not now. I can do that later. You can also turn on head gestures, which is really good. You can interact with Siri by just shaking your head, nodding your head. You can answer calls by just nodding your head up and down, or decline calls by shaking it left and right. Either way, it's a really good feature on the AirPods these days. So I'll turn it on also, and there you're pretty much connected. You can see my AirPods themselves has 33% and the case itself has 64%. I just got these out of the box, so I haven't charged them as yet, but that's pretty much it. And if you go to the control center now, and once they're connected, so I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my ear because it does have ear detection. So I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my ear like this real quick, and right away I can see it was connected. And here you can see you can have noise transparency, you can have adaptive, and you can have noise cancellation. You can just literally click and see it change pretty fast, pretty easy. You have to have in both earbuds for noise cancellation, and I believe there's a settings you can turn on to just have it on one earbud. I'll have to check that out in a later video, so subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. What else we have? We have conversation awareness, which is really nice. You can turn it off and on. You also have spatial audio whenever you're playing a music. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a music real quick. Play there. Not sure why it's not playing. Oh, maybe because I have screen recording, it's not actually playing. But once it's playing, you can go ahead and turn on spatial audio. Let me just turn off screen recording real quick on my phone. All right, so now it's playing. It was because I was screen recording, so now it's playing nice and easy. And now I can turn on spatial audio. I can have it fixed, and I can also have it head tracking. When I turn my head, I can hear the music following my head, which is really nice. But that's pretty much a basic setup for the AirPods 4. Let me know if you guys want to see a more in-depth setup on the AirPods 4 in the near future. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I'm gonna give you guys the ultimate setup for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So this was just a quick video on how to set up the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So let me know if this video was helpful down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering how to pair this to another device, because there's no pair button on the back like in the previous versions, you just need to double tap right here, and you'll see it ready to pair again. And I believe if you do a triple tap, you can factory reset your headset if you want. Really nice. So no more buttons on the back, it's on the front. It's like kind of hidden button underneath the case. I wonder how case companies are going to make case for this to have it to pair without having to take it out of the case. That's going to be really interesting.